Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem sort the jumbled numbers. Essentially we want to sort the numbers that were given at the beginning, but when comparing numbers we don't want to compare their values as they're given, but instead first transform every digit in their decimal representation to some other digit, defined by mapping of I, which is a bijection in this case, and sort them based on those modified values. So we just have to implement this. And in this case, I will be operating on strings. While it's typically not the best form to convert integers to strings, strings to integers, etc., and in this case it's not even that convenient, in slow languages like Python, it's something that you often do, because it's not much of an additional cost compared to if you were using some faster language, and maybe it's more expressive or more understandable, because sometimes you want to do some operations, and for instance, reversing a number is an operation that's easy to do if the number is represented as a string, and not that easy to do. You have to write some simple math and some for loop to reverse a number that's just an integer. So in some cases it's easier to do so, and it's not bad to do so. It can still be the correct choice. So in this case, I will first be transforming our mapping, which is a list that has 10 elements, to a list from char to char. So essentially to create the corresponding character corresponding to the digit I, we have to take the ASCII value of the digit 0, add the value of I, convert it back to the character. We create here a dictionary comprehension, so from ith digit to jth digit in enumerate mapping. So this is essentially our mapping right now as a dict from char to char. And now to get the mapped value, we take our value, convert it to string, map our mapping on it. So now we have a sequence of transformed digits, which we convert back to a string and convert back to an int. And now, of course, to sort, which is the essence of the problem, to sort an array based on those modified values, that's exactly what the key parameter is for. So we take the nums, we sort the nums, and we sort them not on the value of num, but on some function applied to that value. That function is exactly our mappedVal function. So we just pass that function, because what we pass here is something that will take the value from nums, return some value, and those returned values will be used as comparators, will be used to compare the values when sorting. So in essence, we just implemented here a key function. That's the implementation of a key function, and it's just using string conversions and this mapping that we're given in the form here of a dictionary. And that's it. That's the whole problem.